Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to have a little update on the crypto market, talk about crypto.com, and kind of just tell you where I think we're headed here. So right now we are at 8,430 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. We're getting close, guys, so subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So right now we are consolidating to the downside just a little bit, still holding nice and strong above 29,000. I'd like to see that. Honestly, as long as we're not below the $28,500 mark, I'm basically calling it as I see it. And this is consolidation here, guys. We're still in that accumulation zone. We have time on our side. Bitcoin dominance, however, coming down a little bit, which is interesting to see because there has been lots and lots of speculation that we needed to see the Bitcoin dominance level come to the 50% and that the bottom was in, or I should say the top was in when it came to, the bottom was in when it came to Bitcoin dominance. So it is very, very interesting to see that we are still coming down. We did get a rejection off of the dominance level. So, and I do want to say that I do think that we will make another attack on the Bitcoin dominance. I do think that we will make our way to the upside on dominance, breaking 50%, leading into this Bitcoin halving. And guys, we have time on our side. We have time on our side. There's another probably 11 to 12 months until the Bitcoin halving. That's a decent amount of time to be having Bitcoin make these big moves to the upside and leave the alts behind for a little bit until we get that sideways price action. So be prepared for that. Just because we see the alts rallying just a little bit right now, maybe not today in particular, but yesterday in the previous day, don't expect that to continue to happen. Don't expect Bitcoin to not make a move to 40,000 and get and absorb some of that Bitcoin dominance and come up to 50% and see the altcoins bleed out against it. Don't be surprised when you see that leading into the Bitcoin halving because guys, based on past events, and I always say this, future events are not based on past events, but they do rhyme. They do have similarities, just like the 4-year cycles when it comes to Bitcoin. Based on past events, Bitcoin does need to make some large moves against the altcoins leading into the Bitcoin halving. And I talked about this on the stream last night with Crypto Kip, and I was saying, I think that this time is a little bit different. There's way more tension in the market, but I do think that that does not mean that Bitcoin will still not make a break for it on the Bitcoin when it comes to Bitcoin dominance. So be prepared for that, guys. Let's go over at Crowcoin a little bit because right now we are breaking out and we are coming right back home to the 0.0689 cent level. Look at this, guys. Look at us test this level. We came out and look at us look at those wicks. That's absolutely ridiculous, guys. We just want to Crowcoin just really wants to sit on that 0.0689 cent level, but right now we're trading in between that. We're at about 7 cents, 0.0714. I like to see that. I like to see that. However, I would not be surprised if we do trade around this level and bounce off this 0.0689 cents for a little bit. I don't think that we're going to be making these big moves to the upside of this channel of the 10-cent mark. I don't really see that happening right now. I think that altcoins are rallying, yes, but I don't. I think it's going to be short-lived. I really do. And that's not financial advice, but based on my view of the probability and statistics of the market and the previous cycles, I think that this is going to be a short-lived altcoin rally. It's not time for altcoin season until we get much, much closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. But let's look over at Bitcoin because really what we're seeing right now is pure bullish consolidation, and it's beautiful to see. I mean, just look at this. Look at that. It's beautiful to see, guys. And as long as we are trading in between this channel of 26,300 and 32,700, I really do think we're going to be making our way to the 32,000 level mark. And if we are trading below it and bouncing off of it like this, there's a higher likelihood that we break out above. And we've been seeing these articles talking about $45,000 Bitcoin in May. Do I think that's possible? I do think it's possible. Do I think it's probable? I would tend to disagree. I would think that I don't think that that's necessarily the price target. That's a big price target to throw out there in a month in that short of a time frame. But That being said, we are getting bullish consolidation, guys. Bullish consolidation. And I will say, when we zoom out, we see this blue line representing the Bitcoin halving. It's probably should be a couple months a little bit further, maybe in March. So let's say it's about 12, 11 months away. This is the year of accumulation, guys. This is the year of accumulation. I think between 19,500 and maybe even the low ends of 40,000, maybe even 45,000 leading into the Bitcoin halving. I think that's very, very possible. But that being said, we have time on our side to be accumulating, and that's what I'm doing. I'm accumulating, guys. On the S&P 500, it's looking awfully similar moves to Bitcoin. Very, very curious. We have these 4 or 5 weekly candles to the upside, bouncing off of this once heavy resistance. It was once very heavy resistance, and now is turning to support. I love to see it. We want to see some candle closes above the $4,200 level on the S&P 500 to see risk on asset rallies. We want to see that, guys. But as of right now, bullish consolidation. We have to keep a close eye on May, because sell in May, walk away is definitely a thing when it comes to traditional markets. We'll have to see how Bitcoin reacts to that. We have had some very, very big gains in May, however, for Bitcoin specifically. But there are a lot of key things that we need to be paying attention to in the traditional market, because, well, quite frankly, the traditional market goes hand in hand with crypto. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis, which you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You get access to our private Discord, where we have NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, and you get 10 additional entries each month to winning this Low Lion NFT, which we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next one.